everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here. So make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hello YouTube, hello money friends, welcome back to another episode here on Dunk's Money with me, Dunk, your host. Hope you're all bearing up well with the coronavirus lockdown. Starting to get to me a wee bit now, but hey, at least we're healthy I suppose and able to keep investing, which is always great I suppose. Today I'm going to speak about International Personal Finance. This is a firm that I have bought into, and I was given the heads up by a fellow YouTuber, and I will put his name in the description. So a bit of history about IPF. They actually are part of another company which are called Provident Financial PLC, and they originally floated in 1962 on the London stock market, but I can't find any data about them back then as to what the share price was or the market cap. For me, it's a bit of an interesting thing. I like to look at the history of the company too, just to see where it's come from, but unfortunately I can't find the IPO details. But anyway, let's continue. So International Personal Finance are a UK based holding company, and they offer consumer finance products internationally, that's given the name, across Europe and the UK. So they offer home credit, cash loans, money transfer service, personal repayment loans, medical and life insurances, business, and also they offer business loans too. So they've got a wide spectrum there of products, financial products that they do offer to the economy, which is very interesting. Now, just a bit of info about the company itself. They're based in Leeds in the United Kingdom. They've got 10,172 employees, so quite a lot of folk there working for International Personal Finance, and obviously they're within the financial sector. Now, some current numbers for you in ratios, and we do love our ratios, and it's really important that you always do your checks and your due diligence before buying into a company. Just some information for you. So their current market capitalisation is £108.26 million. Not the biggest, but they're still fairly big. Remember guys, market capitalisation is when you take today's share price and times it by all the outstanding shares. Outstanding shares, what are they? Those are the shares which have been authorised and are owned by investors. So if you take today's share price and times that by all the shares that are owned by investors out there, you'll come to the grand total of £108.26 million. So there's quite a few. Price to earnings ratio, 1.61. Very low, possibly the lowest I may have seen. One of the lowest certainly. So remember, price to earnings ratio, guys, is the stock price in relation to the earnings of the company. So a nice low price to earnings ratio there, which is good to see. Earnings per share of 30 pence. So of the company's earnings, if you divide that by all the shares, it's 30p. So 30 pence isn't too bad. I have got some which are negative. Dividend yield 9.5%, paying out at 5 pence dividend per shield. Dividend per share. Sorry about that. So 5 pence a share is a dividend. So not humongous, but it's still at least you're getting something, eh? And their beta, and our beta is an indicator of volatility. So their beta is 0.86. So the way to look at a beta is basically if a company's beta is less than 1, it means that their price hasn't changed more than the overall market. So obviously the lower the beta, the less volatile hence, well, therefore less risky generally. So generally speaking, if it's above 1, the beta, then that's more of a volatile stock. Their price has changed more than the overall market. But in this case, their beta is 0.86, which is lower than 1, so not as volatile as some companies, which is great. Now guys, if we get into the crux of it and we look at International Personal Finance's income statement, I'm seeing that between 2017 and 2019, their revenue, which is their total sales or turnover, whatever you want to call it, stayed about the same. However, their net income increased from 2017 to 18, net income being net profit. So after you minus the costs from their total sales, the net profit increased from 2017 to 18, and then 2019 remained the same as 2018. So at least they're making a profit, at least they're not making a loss. So they're making a net profit there. Their total assets, £1.32 billion, and total liabilities, 886 million. So they've got more assets than they have liabilities. Am I surprised by that? No, because they're mainly digital based, so I would expect they haven't got lots of mortgages to pay or rents on offices and buildings, because they seem to be a predominantly digital based company. So that brings their digital to what? Their debt to asset ratio is 67%. So of their total assets, about 67% of the value is debt. So they've got to about 33% of play there. So that's fine for me. And just a bit of information, guys, on the stock price. Basically, year to date, the current share price today is 67% lower than it was a year ago today. So the share price today is 67% lower than on the 4th of June 2019. And their 3-month average volume is 31.09. So what we'll do, guys, we'll jump into the app now, and you can watch me, yours truly, buying shares in International Personal Finance. Everyone, welcome back into the Trading 212 app here today with me, Dunk from Dunk's Money. Today is the 4th of June, and I'm going to be buying shares in International Personal Finance. It's an interesting looking stock, and as we can see here from the chart, over the last 3 months it really has dropped. It's currently at 57 pence a share. If you look over the last year, look at that massive peak. It's 97 pence. What was there? Interesting. Sorry, I must have that wrong. If you look at the peak right at the top, £2.10. £2.10, and it's now 57 pence. We can see it's dropped right down there in April. Like with most things, guys, February, it's like the massive cliff, obviously with the coronavirus lockdown. So I actually got the heads up for this firm from a fellow YouTuber. I'll put his name in the description. But today I've decided I'm going to buy some shares. So it's 57 pence. So what am I going to buy? Not that many. Right. I'm going to buy, let's have a look. I don't want to spend too much, so I'm wanting to buy some other stuff as well. Oh, that's at the lowest I can go to. Right. I can get 65.37. I can just punch it in. Go for 70. It's £40 and 10 pence. Right, sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to buy 70 shares at £40 and 10 pence, and that will do me for now. So let's put that in. It should come through pretty quick. So it's £39.90, no commission. Right, so that's 70 shares at 57 pence. So let's see how that goes, guys. So as you saw there, everybody, or hopefully you saw, I bought 70 shares at 57 pence a share. Almost as cheap as Aston Martin, but they've got better numbers than Aston Martin do. So 57 pence a share there. Just a bit of information for you. In August 2019, it was £2.10 a share, and in February 2020, £1.73. So I have bought them there at quite a bit below they have been previously. So I'm hoping that I maybe bought them in a bit of a dip. Maybe I'll benefit from that, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So as always, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video that I've brought you today. It's great to see that the subscriber numbers are increasing, which is brilliant, because that's what this channel is all about, bringing finance to more people. And if you own shares in IPF, let me know below. Let me know your opinion on it and what you think. Certainly their financials look quite good for me. But no, I'm always interested to see what you guys think too. And it's always interesting. Remember, as always, hit subscribe and you'll get all my videos as they come out. And if you enjoyed this, please hit like so that I know that you have enjoyed it. And appreciate you watching this video and taking the time. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay safe. Enjoy trading. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it. And please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money. So should you.